how to reset your Capital One password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you forgot your Capital One password, no worries. Well, in this video, we'll walk you through how to reset it step by step. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside the web browser, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Capital One. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Capital One. So here, once you see the interface like this, you can just click on the sign in button which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And once you do that, you'll be prompted to the login page of the Capital One. So here, in case if you forgot your password and want to reset it, you can just click on forgot username or password button and after that, you'll be prompted to the page where you need to enter your last name, social security number, and your date of birth. So simply enter this credential, and once you're done with that, you can simply click on Find Me. And here, once you do that, you simply have to follow the prompts to verify your identity and create a new password. And the new password must meet the security criteria. And once you do that, your passport will be reset and changed. And that's it. That's how you can reset your Capital One password. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.